I'm very excited for Blenders Pride Magical Nights because I think that there's a lot of young people getting a lot of fun opportunities to kind of project their idea of fashion, and I really think Blenders Pride is doing a great job by kind of adding that magic to fashion. So, really looking forward to see what these people have in store and which of them deserves to be more out there. I think for me, one very important thing about fashion is if people are comfortable in their own skin. So, if a designer can make you feel like this outfit belongs to them, and if the model who's wearing it, kind of makes you feel like it's second skin to her, that's very key, I think, to me. Pride to me is a very intrinsic feeling. It's a very beautiful feeling that comes from very deep within, from self assurance, from inner happiness and inner love, self love. And I think pride is most beautifully found in your parents' eyes. So if you kind of see that, then that's what pride is. I think people should experiment or follow trends if they want to. It really depends on person to person, because whatever you enjoy doing will show through in your style and in your fashion. Like if you're not enjoying something and you're just following a trend aimlessly, that's going to fall flat and that's not going to look nice. And at the same time, if you are someone who loves experimenting and then experiment, I think that looks cool too. But yeah, off late, I feel like a lot of people are experimenting, and that's really cool. It's going to release in July now, I believe, but I'm really excited for Cherry because I got to work with some legendary actors, right from Mr. Bachchan to Mr. Anu Kapoor to Raghubir Yadav sir and Ritiman Chatterjee sir and our director Rumi Jaffrey, like just like legendary. And like Imran was a dream to work with, Siddhant was a dream to work with. Like I've not had this kind of experience on a film set, that kind of energy that these people bring. Like if you're standing with them, you just land up performing well. So yeah, very excited. Yeah, really looking forward. I'm planning to start this NGO, and really looking forward to seeing how I can help, especially young children, for free education. I think education is really important. So trying to attain some goals and try my best.
I'm very excited. This is my first time association with Blenders Pride, and I'm feeling really happy that I got a chance to be here, to be a part of the panel. And yeah, I'm looking forward to all the participants, all the new budding designers and models. So I think fashion, I think, has its own parts. It has parts which are classic and they remain the same. They don't change, and there are parts that keep changing. So I think there are a lot of people in the panel who are very experienced. I will try bringing the freshness here. I will try making my points on the changing fashion, the newness to every brand and every designer and every outfit. What pride means to me. Pride means being authentic, being organic, and holding your ground well as for whatever you are, and being real and just listening to your own voice and ignoring all the other voices around you. In Bollywood, so there are a lot of people. I think everybody started dressing up so well, and there's no particular one person. But I would like to say that we forget a lot of times that they are looking a certain way because there's a huge machinery behind them, like all the stylists, from the makeup artist to the stylist to everybody who's working hard. So I think the credit goes to all of them. I'm very excited. I don't know what's going to happen, but बस इतना पता है that इससे कुछ बड़ा ही करेंगे. Warmth. I feel just at the level and the stature he is at, to be so humble, to be so warm, and even like very small things like him stepping out of the vanity at exactly the call time and not going back. Like he would like to chill with everybody and talk and interact and know more about the shoot and what's happening and everything, rather than going back and in the comfort zone. So I think I'm going to stick to that. Thank you so much. मेरा 2019 बहुत कमाल का गया, एंड फ़िलहाल मैं बस आपसे ये चाहती हूँ दैट आप मुझे और प्यार देते रहें.